Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to resize clip in CapCut. To resize a clip in CapCut, follow these steps. Open the CapCut app and either create a new project or open an existing one with the clip you want to resize. Tap on the clip in the timeline to choose it. This will open editing options, and the clip will be displayed on the preview screen above. And the preview screen, use two fingers to pinch and zoom on the clip to resize it. Pinch in to make the clip smaller. Spread your fingers apart to enlarge the clip. You can also drag the clip around to adjust its position within the frame. Now, if you need a specific aspect ratio, for example for social media, you can tap on the arrow to the left, then tap on aspect ratio in the toolbar, and choose a preferred ratio. This can help keep the resized clip within specific dimensions. Now, once you choose, tap on the check button. And now, play the video to make sure the clip is resized as you want. When you're satisfied, tap export in the top right corner to save your edited video. And that's it. Your clip will be resized according to your adjustments. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.